In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change form settings in HubSpot CRM. Whether you want to customize your forms for better engagement or adjust configurations for smoother data collection, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the HubSpot homepage. At the top right corner, click on Log In, then enter your HubSpot account credentials. If you don't already have an account, you can quickly create one to follow along. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard, the main control center for all your tools and activities. From here, look toward the top right corner and click the settings icon. This will open your main settings page where you can manage different aspects of your HubSpot account, including your forms. Now, on the left-hand side menu, scroll down and find the marketing section. Click on it to expand the options and then select forms. This will take you to the page where all your existing forms are listed. Here, you can view, create, or edit your forms. If you have several forms, you can use the search or sorting tools to quickly find the one you want to modify. Once you've selected your form, you'll see a panel filled with different settings and customization options. These settings allow you to tailor how your form behaves and interacts with users. You can modify form fields, set up submission notifications, connect your form to email workflows, or manage integrations with other tools. For example, if you want to get notified whenever someone fills out your form, you can enable submission notifications and specify who should receive them. If you're connecting your form to an automation or CRM workflow, you can configure that under the integration section. As you explore these options, remember that every adjustment you make can influence how potential leads engage with your form. So, take your time and then review each setting carefully. Once you're happy with your updates, click Save, usually found at the top or bottom of the settings page. This ensures your changes are applied immediately. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change form settings in HubSpot CRM. Customizing your forms not only helps you collect more relevant data, but also improves the overall user experience for your visitors and leads. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tips on mastering HubSpot and other CRM tools.